going through a detailed construction of the sine graph. I've already bisected the right angle between the positive x and y axes, and I've in fact constructed the bisector of this angle here. And the construction isn't completely accurate due to the fact that I don't have the most accurate possible instruments, but I'm going to demonstrate the process. Okay, so I'm wanting to bisect this angle, and I do so by making a light arc here and here. And then I do the same thing from this point. And I'm not going to go into the details of the proof, but these 2 points should lie on the bisector of this angle. Now, as it turns out with these instruments, the bisector of this angle, of course, has to go through the vertex, which is at the origin. And if I draw a line from this point to this point, it should go through the intersection of these 2 arcs. Now I'm going to make those arcs just a little clearer. And it's pretty clear that I'm falling a little bit below this arc. The same thing happened when I did this one and this one. And that could be for any of a variety of reasons, and you're welcome to speculate. So my construction isn't perfect, but we're going to assume that the process I'm using, if done with complete accuracy, is going to lead to a perfect construction. So at this point, I've started with this angle, which I assume to be the bisector, probably off by a couple of degrees, of the right angle here. Then that right angle isn't perfect either. Then I bisected this angle, and I bisected this angle. So we know how this is going to be used in constructing the graph of the sine function, but I want to show a few more details of that construction. So I'm going to continue with this shortly, or possibly in an additional video.